Time once again for our puppy pigskin picks, brought to you by the Animal Foundation and Subaru of Las Vegas. Max is here from the Animal Foundation with...
This is Flower Girl.
Flower Girl, kind of rambunctious, but very sweet. Tell us about her.
She's super affectionate pup. Gets along great with other dogs. They estimate she's about 6 years old and, you know, just sweet all around. Cuddle her, gives you a bunch of kisses, you know, jumps up a little bit, but that's the only thing that somebody might want to work on a little bit.
She means well. She
totally
means
well. Great intentions. And
all right, Flower Girl, it's trying to put you to work here. You have to pick one of two games here, or two teams. Denver versus the LA Chargers this weekend. Go.
What treat do you want?
Making the word. Is it going to be? It is. I think that's going to be a smart pick there, Flower Girl. Picking the Chargers here. Thanks, Max. Thanks, Flower Girl, for the puppy pigskin picks. In case you were curious, just like we were, our puppies so far, for all those sports handicappers out there, it says they're 4 and 5. They're a week behind, so they're 4 and 6 this season. So place your bets accordingly. You can find all the information at LasVegasNow.com. Just search Puppy Pigskin Picks. If you'd like to adopt Flower Girl, her adoption fee is $50. Just call the Animal Foundation later today. The number is on your screen, 702-384-3333.